Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be learning 50 essential Japanese phrases for asking for directions. These phrases will help you navigate when you're lost or need assistance finding places. Whether you're traveling in Japan or simply having a conversation, these phrases will help you communicate confidently. Ready to practice your Japanese and confidently ask for directions? Let's get started.
Asking for directions.
Moyori no ikiwa doko desu ka?
Where is the nearest train station?
Kono jusho o shitimasu ka?
Do you know this address?
Doko di basu ni noremasu ka?
Where can I catch the bus?
Aigai ithino ikikatawas desu ka?
How do I get to the airport?
Kono michi o mashugu susundi kudasai?
Please go straight down this road.
Ekimi dono kurai kakarimasu ka?
How long does it take to get to the station?
Soko o migini magati kudasai?
Please turn right there.
Chaizu o misit moraemasu ka?
Can you show me the map?
Chikako ni restoran wa arimasu ka?
Is there a restaurant nearby?
Kono atari de takosh o yobemasu ka?
Can I get a taxi around here?
Anok saten o hidari ni magat kudasai?
Please turn left at that intersection.
Ekino chikako ni hoteru wa arimasu ka?
Is there a hotel near the station?
Kono michi o aruit ikemasu ka?
Can I walk down this street?
Sugi no shing omigi ni magati kudasai?
Please turn right at the next traffic light.
Koko karadori kurai ti desu ka?
How far is it from here?
Sono michi o mashugu susundi kudasai?
Go straight on that road.
Chikako ni konbini wa arimasu ka?
Is there a convenience store nearby?
Watashi wa maigo ni narimashita. Tasukete kudasai.
I am lost. Please help me.
Basuti wa doko desu ka?
Where is the bus stop?
Koko karadori kurai no kyori desu ka?
How far is it from here?
Chekatechu no iki wa doko desu ka?
Where is the subway station?
Sono mama susundi kudasai?
Go straight ahead.
Migite ni miru tatemo no gamokotekichi desu.
The building on your right is your destination.
Chokushin shita ato, hidari ni magat kudasai.
After going straight, turn left.
Chikako no ikimade takosh de dore kurai kakarimasu ka?
How long does it take by taxi to the nearest station?
Ekikara toho de dore kurai kakarimasu ka?
How long does it take on foot from the station?
Migigawa ni miru beru ni ikita idesu.
I want to go to the building on the right.
Koko o migi ni magati kudasai?
Turn right here.
Kono tri o mashugu susundi kudasai?
Go straight down this street.
Koko karatakosh de dono kurai desu ka?
How far is it from here by taxi?
Chaizu o misit kudasai?
Please show me the map.
Ekino chikako ni chishajwa arimasu ka?
Is there a parking lot near the station?
Moyori no konbini wa doko desu ka?
Where is the nearest convenience store?
Chikako ni kafwa arimasu ka?
Is there a cafe nearby?
Soko ni iku ni wa shureba ay desu ka?
How can I get there?
Ekikara dore kurai arukimasu ka?
How far is it to walk from the station?
Soko ni iku no ni dore kurai ijikan ga kakarimasu ka?
How long will it take to get there?
Dono michi otsu ka eba ay desu ka?
Which road should I take?
Kono michi o dore kurai aruko hitsui ga arimasu ka?
How far do I need to walk down this road?
Dono jag ni susumeba ay desu ka?
Which direction should I go?
Moyori no saten wa doko desu ka?
Where is the nearest intersection?
Chokushin shai karahidari ni magat kudasai?
Go straight and then turn left.
Koko karadori kurai aruko hitsui ga arimasu ka?
How far do I need to walk from here?
Kono chikako ni restoran wa arimasu ka?
Is there a restaurant around here?
Kono tri o aruit ikimasu ka?
Do I walk down this street?
Kono michi o mashugu susumimasu ka?
Do I continue straight down this road?
Basuti wa doko ni arimasu ka?
Where is the bus stop?
Moyori no kangshi wa doko desu ka?
Where is the nearest tourist attraction?
Kono chikako ni hoteru wa arimasu ka?
Is there a hotel near here?
Kore de doko ni ikemasu ka?
Where can I go from here?
Fantastic! You've just learned 50 essential Japanese phrases for asking for directions. Keep practicing these phrases to feel more confident navigating in Japanese-speaking countries. For more interactive lessons and fun practice, visit AirLearn through the link in the description. Good luck with your learning journey and see you soon.